Hello everyone, so I will be explaining question 8 section C page 145. Okay, so let's see the first question. So the question asks you to list all elements of P, which is here. So what you're going to do is you need to list the universal set first. So as you can see, the universal set needs to be greater or equal to 3 and smaller or equal to 15 here. This will be the first information given. And the second information given is that P equals to prime numbers. So what you need to do is you need to list out the prime numbers. So here will be the universal set, and here will be the P, the set P. So in order to find P prime, you'll need to cut the numbers in P set from the universal set. So now you'll just need to cut off the set P's number from universal set. Here. So 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13 will be cut off, and the remaining will be the P prime, which is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 15 here. So this will be the element of set P prime. Okay, so now we'll be doing A2, which you need to state the relationship between P prime and universal set. So, from the answer above, the complement set of P does exist in the universal set. That means P prime is a subset of universal set. So this will be the relationship between P prime and universal set. Next, we'll come to question B. In this question, we'll need to list set G that contains multiples of 2, that is more than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 20, which is given in the statement. Hence, you could see the list of numbers in the answers given can be divisible by 2, which starts from 4 and ends from 20. If you're thinking of why don't we include 2, is because of the statement already said that it must be more than or equal to 4. If you're also wondering why 20 is included, it is because the statement has given it must be less than or equals to 20. So this will be the listing of set G. So now comes B2, which requires you to make a set builder notation. To write a set builder notation, you will just need to write x to x and write back what the question gives you, but make it into a singular form. As you can see that the statement gives set that consists of multiples of 2. But for set builder notation, you'll just need to write a multiple of 2. So which means that set builder notation you'll need to write a singular form instead of a plural form. And you can also see that the statement gives more than or equal to 4, but for set builder notation, you can only write the symbol instead of a whole long sentence. So this will be the set builder notation for set G. For 8C, the first information given is that set E is a factor of 20. So you can just list it out. And the second info is set R, and you can also list it out. The third info is given that E equals to R. So what you're going to do is you'll need to find X. You'll need to take 4X minus 2 from R and equals to 10, which is given here. The 10 is from set E. So after you do this equation, you'll just need to balance the equation and you'll get X. And this will be the final answer.